Welcome, everyone. My name is Nick Hershey. I'm the president of the Mortgage Calculator. We are a lender that is different than any other lender out there. So I'd like to thank everybody for joining us. So we can go over a little bit more about what makes us unique and special. So I'll do a short presentation and then I'll pass it over to Kyle Hershey, our COO, who will actually show some of the software we've developed and how everything works on the back end. So I'm going to go ahead and start today by sharing my screen. And hopefully most of you have checked out this page, but let me explain a little bit more about what we mean. So as I mentioned before, we are not your traditional mortgage lender. We have a background in marketing and technology, and we're truly a mortgage technology company. So we've written every line of code for everything you're about to see, and it is a full proprietary lending platform, including a CRM, POS, LOS, and of course has AI built into every step, which allows new or veteran loan officers to scale up their business instantly. You can just plug into our system and generate more leads every day from the activities you're already doing. So let's talk a little bit about how this works. First off, the business model. So we are approved with over 135 total lenders and investors. That includes 28 non-Del correspondent, where we are the lender, funding the loan with our own funds, using our non-Del correspondent partners to underwrite the loan. If there's any reason we can't do that, we use one of our 122 wholesale brokerage partners. What's important is we always have access to the best rates and pricing. Typically, that's going to be at one of our 5,000 plus in-house loan programs where we are the lender, funding loans with our own funds. And again, if there's any reason we can't do that, we want to use one of our brokered partners there. That way we have access to every loan program that exists in the marketplace. So everything standard, conventional, VA, USDA, FHA, non-QM, DSCR, things like that. Those are the types of deals we fund in-house with our own funds. And once we start going a little bit outside the box, commercial, fix and flip, ground up, mixed use, CFI, SBA, things like that, those are the types of deals we partner with a wholesale brokered partner. Again, what's important is we have a home for every deal that comes through the door. And how do we make this all happen? Again, it's all about our proprietary technology here. So this is just one page of our AI-powered lead generating website with hundreds of different lead capturing pages. And it is a fully integrated POS, CRM, LOS. Kyle will show you how that all looks behind the scenes here in a minute. What's important for everybody here on the call, one login for you as a loan officer, one login for your customer. No matter which one of our hundreds of different banks, lenders, or investors, or thousands of loan programs, there's just one place for you and your customer at all times. We can also pull instant rate quotes from our 5,000 plus in-house loan programs and even get updates as the rates change throughout the day. And with our system here, our prospects can come in with just a basic name, email, and phone number to pulling their own live rates, completing their own 1003, pulling their own credit, getting that all synced into our system with a fully ready to go loan app without you lifting a finger. And we are able to do that with all of our API integrations. So you see there over 50 API integrations with some of the partners you might be used to. So we have an Encompass-based LOS system, but no need to log into Encompass. You can control it fully with our system there. We use Optimal Blue for pricing, industry standard there. No need to log in, just click the buttons. And 5 AMCs are just a click away. You get the point. Everything is integrated into the platform. We also have our AI built in to our dual AWS. So a lot of platforms have dual AWS, Fannie and Freddie side by side. We take that a step further, run that through our AI to see which is going to be best for our borrower in that specific situation. We also use our AI to analyze all our different conditional approvals from all our different investors. So anytime an update comes in, we automatically request documents from our borrowers instantly and even do things with our AI assist feature like request updates from our partners like title, insurance, etc. So our AI is always working to close your loan 24/7. And we are fully remote, so we are all about having our trainings and support at your fingers at all times. So that's typically going to be found in our online and training and learning center, basically our classroom. It's open 24/7, 365. You can jump in there, take new courses, upgrade your skills. And we do have a partnership with a mortgage school, so you can use that to even add new state licenses. So you can get new states, and if you're not even licensed yet, you can use that discount there to get your license. And of course, we have discounts on your yearly CE as well. So great use of our partnership for all of our team members. We also have thousands of hours of recorded trainings. Everything you would need is at your fingertips for structuring loans, clearing conditions. Anything you would need is right there in our system. And if there's anything beyond that, we have our live loan support. Again, we're remote, but we can still get face-to-face over Zoom, take over your screen, get you unstuck, and you see the extended business hours there for our live loan support to help you close those deals in person. And we also have our AI program with all the federal and state regulations, so you can always get an instant compliance answer there from our AI. And the final category here, definitely love to close any type of loan in our 31 licensed states, and we do have a few pending, but we're very passionate about closing our DSCR business purpose loans, and we can all do that in 16 additional states with no license required. So great opportunity for everybody here to expand your footprint without necessarily having to get more licenses. That means we can do 47 total states as a company, almost the whole US. And we have all kinds of ways we integrate with leads. So We have unlimited company leads at a 50-50 split. If you want to take company leads, Kyle will show you how that works. Or if you want to generate your own leads at full comp, you can do that by purchasing a campaign, taking our campaign that we already use, copying it, and putting your budget behind it. And if you're already generating your own leads, no problem. You can import those anytime with our webhook API. We also have a feature at any time you can click a button to refer deals to your teammates. Maybe you're not licensed in that state. Maybe you've never done that loan type before. Maybe you're brand new. Click that button, work with your teammates, and earn 75 basis points for that referral. And as Kyle mentioned before we went live, we'd love to meet everybody in person since we're all remote. We do our annual retreat and VIP yacht party here in Miami, cover the hotel room for our team, and it's a great weekend of events, including speakers like Kevin O'Leary from Shark Tank and Marcus Lemonis from The Profit. It's a great chance to meet everybody in person at least once per year. And now let's go over the compensation plans. So first up here on the left, our standard loan officer comp plan. Earn up to 200 basis points. That's 150 basis points on your self-generated loans. That's 1.5% of the loan amount commission for those not familiar with basis points. And simple 50-50 split means 75 basis points or 0.75% commission on any company leads. And you have access to click that button at any time to refer deals to your teammates for 75 basis points or 0.75%. And you have access to a 50 basis point bonus for any volume over 2 million. Again, as we want to build a platform and get as much comp back to you as we can. So that is a bonus for scaling up with our platform. And there are no monthly fees or transaction fees here on this plan. And it does include everything you're about to see, the lead generating website, CRM, POS, LOS, AI, everything is included. Now over here on the right, our new plan, Loan Officer Unlimited, more for loan officers that want to take their business into their own hands and earn up to 100% commission. So when we're charging our customers 275 basis points, you can earn up to 275 basis points on our self-generated loans. That's 2.75% of the loan amount in commission. And 50-50 split on this plan means 137.5 basis points or 1.375% of the loan amount in commission on any company leads. And you still have access to click that button to work with your teammates for 75 basis points or 0.75% commission. And some cool features on this plan include automated daily social media posts to generate leads for you every single day. And there are unlimited transactions with no transaction fees here on this plan. There are other platforms that charge per closing. We do not. We simply have a $4.99 per month platform fee here to enable you to retain 100% commission. So there's two different ways to structure your business here as a loan officer. Feel free to click the button, get the full breakdown on the plans. But let's go ahead and pass it over to Kyle, who will actually show how this all looks on the back end. So you ready, Kyle?
Absolutely. Let me go ahead and share my screen. And I'm just going to point out a couple things here on the back end of our system. So like most CRMs, you can take your notes, send your emails, send your texts, but you can also click here to have our AI assistant do that for you. You can set tasks for yourself, reminders. You can put people on action plans, drip campaigns to automatically email them and text them on your behalf over time. All that kind of good stuff that a lot of other CRMs do. But what really starts to set us apart is our quoting system. So within 2 minutes of getting off the phone with your client, just by putting in a couple pieces of info without needing to pull credit or anything, you can click this button, pull up all the rates from all of our different outlets, select the rates you want to show your client, and within 2 minutes, you can send them a nice quote here that looks like this, which has the different rate choices you chose to show them. They can scroll over these things here to see what they mean. It automatically pulls in the Google map, the property taxes, the Zestimate, an insurance estimate, and it also does the automatic breakdown of monthly taxes, insurance, it has the lender fees. And if we scroll down here to the bottom of the quote, not only are you here as the loan originator, but you can also attach a realtor to the quote. So the realtors you work with that refer you deals absolutely love this because they know when they refer you a client, not only can you quote them with this cool quoting system within a few minutes, but you're also going to include them on the quote as well. Now, your client can click Start My Loan Application at any time. And what happens is that takes them right to their borrower portal, which looks like this, where they can start their 1003 application right here. They don't have to leave the page. They can upload the documents we're going to need. They can see the loan info here. They can see the milestone of where the loan is currently at, which updates automatically as you go through the loan process. So your client has everything they need here in their borrower portal. Now, let me show you what it looks like in your portal on the back end of our LOS POS system here. you'll see that the loan application says it was 100% complete. Now, once the application is complete, we pull credit instantly and automatically. So your client doesn't have to put in their credit card info and stop the process. They submit their application, we pull credit. So by the time you come in here and click the Encompass API to actually start originating the loan, not only is the 1003 already in here, but the credit is already pulled and imported, the liabilities are already imported. So everything is here ready for you to originate the loan. Now, I want to point out the dual laws, as Nick was talking about here. You can click this button to run dual automated underwriting with Fannie and Freddie at the same time, side by side. And then our AI is actually going to analyze it for you to let you know what's going to be best for your client in this specific situation. Now, once your loan is in underwriting, if we scroll down here on your same portal, you get your conditions right here. So whether it's your processor or you can come in here, upload documents to fulfill the condition, or maybe you want to dispute the condition to kick it back to the underwriter, whatever the case is. Everything you need is here. So you see, this is how we can take somebody from being a lead, just a name, email, phone number, to communicating with them in the CRM, quoting them, accepting their applications, pulling their credit, gathering their documents, originating the loan, fulfilling the conditions, all of this in one system from start to finish with one login for you and one login for your client. So now let's talk about where these leads come from in the first place. So we run ads, right? We have more of a marketing background, so we don't purchase leads from third parties. All of our leads are exclusive from our own ad campaigns. And what happens is when we run ads, somebody clicks on our ad, they double opt in to be contacted, and you're actually sent a text message right then. So I have a little screenshot here of my test account, which is what your phone would look like, because these leads are coming into you all day here. So when somebody clicks on that ad, they opt in to be contacted, you're sent a text message immediately, so you can click that link and give them a call. We always want to call every lead within the first minute. So those are the live leads that are coming in via text from our advertising campaigns. Now, another way that we provide you with leads is through our auto dialer. So just like any other auto dialer, you can call 300-400 people in a day. If they don't answer, though, you can press one button, which drops them an automated text and email from them on your to them on your behalf, and then moves right on to the next call. So you can call hundreds of people in a day, dropping those automatic messages, and we put the leads in here for you. So there's always thousands of leads for you to call in here. And these are not a bunch of cold calls. Most of these are opted in leads. We also have lists like realtor lists where you could call hundreds of realtors in a day to build those partnerships. So there's always calls for you to do here in the auto dialer as well. Now, another way to work leads in our system is you can run your own lead campaigns. So if you come here to our ad campaign tab, you'll see that you don't necessarily need to know how to create ads and route leads and all that kind of stuff. We actually already have ad campaigns running that we've proven out that we can copy for you and put your budget on. And those leads do not have a lead split because they are self-generated from your own ad campaign. So while we give everyone free leads on a daily basis with a 50-50 split on the back end, if you want to boost your pipeline even more and boost your pipeline with leads that do not have the 50-50 split on the back end, you can always have us copy our campaigns that are proven out, put your budget on it, and those leads go directly to you from your own ad campaign. Now, maybe you're already purchasing leads from another third party. Maybe you're getting leads from Zillow or LendingTree, or maybe you run your own Facebook ad campaigns. We have our import leads tab here where we give you your custom webhook and the instructions to be able to bring those leads into our system in real time. So as soon as that lead comes in from that third party source, it's inserted into our CRM in real time, and our CRM notifies you so you can call them and quote them and treat them like any other lead in our system. So no matter where the lead comes in from, you can go ahead and use the system to quote them, etc. So essentially every way there is to work leads, we have that built here into our system for you. Now, we also help you generate your own leads. So everyone gets their own custom lead generating website. We also provide you on your back login here, you have your promotion tab, which has different things that you can make. You can change the picture here automatically, and you can make different flyers and brochures and business cards. And again, you can change the picture at any time. The QR codes automatically scan to your custom website. All the info is compliant. So we give you all kinds of material here to help you generate your own leads as well. Now, anytime that you need assistance at the mortgage calculator, it's always a click away. So if you click the live support button here at the top right-hand corner of the screen, this is on every page of our system. You can click this button and you're instantly put into our Zoom room where our company staff is there to help you out, whether it's a processing issue, our processors are in there, or maybe you need help structuring a loan or sending out a quote, our sales managers are in there to help you with loan support. So whatever it is that you need at any time, you can click the live support button and our team is right there face to face via Zoom to help you out. So now let's go ahead and talk about the next steps to move forward. So when you're ready to move forward, you're going to go to themortgagecalculator.com/join. That's this page here. And you're going to sign up for the applicable plan. Whichever plan you want to join on is fine. Now, again, the biggest differences between these plans is our standard loan officer plan has no monthly fees and you're making 150 basis points, as opposed to the loan officer unlimited plan has the $4.99 a month monthly fee because it allows you to make 100% of the commission, which is 275 basis points. So however you want to structure your business is fine. Go ahead and sign up for the applicable plan. Now, once you sign up here, it's going to take you right to sign the initial compensation agreement. Now, don't worry, you don't have to sign it right then. It's going to email you a copy as well, so take your time and review everything. But once you do sign that initial compensation agreement, that's what's going to kick off all the next steps, and our onboarding team will reach out with the next steps to get you onboarded. Now, I know there may be some people tuned in that are not licensed yet. If you don't have your license, we actually have a training program for you to get your license with our partner mortgage school. And we not only have the partnership with the mortgage school for you, but we actually reimburse you for the cost of the course and your NMLS fees, which is unheard of in the industry. So if you do need your license still, you can go to themortgagecalculator.com/training. That course includes everything you need to get your license. It includes the 20 hours of national education that's required. It includes whatever state education that your specific state requires on top of the national education. And it includes test prep and practice exams so you can get ready to pass your license test and get it approved. So everything you need to get your license is there at themortgagecalculator.com/training. And then again, we actually reimburse you not only for the cost of the course, but also your NMLS fees on your first closing, which is definitely something unique in the industry. So if you're already licensed, you're going to go ahead and go to themortgagecalculator.com/join and sign up for the applicable plan. And if you're not licensed yet, you're going to go to themortgagecalculator.com/training and take that course to get your license. All right, with that being said, we'll go ahead and stop recording.